Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you are still in great health. Today we're going to come back and do another quick video. We are going to make an egg salad. You're going to need some eggs. You're going to need mustard and mayo, salt, pepper, and I'm going to use some accent. So without further ado, let's go ahead and chop up our eggs and get this party started. I don't have an egg peeler, so this is what we're going to do. We're just going to slice these up as such. And just chop them up. You want to do it that way, or you can come across this way and do it. Whichever way you want to do it. Just want to chop them, okay? So let me go ahead and finish chopping these up for you. Then I'll come back and we're just going to mix this up until we get us a nice egg salad, okay? I will see you back momentarily. Now that we have our eggs chopped up, we're going to add some pepper. And y'all know me, I like a lot of pepper, so I'll probably use about half a tablespoon. I'm going to use a tad bit of accent, not a whole lot. Just basically a pinch of it, you guys. A little bit of salt. About a teaspoon of your mustard. You don't want it watery. And then we're just going to mix this together. You can have this on crackers, have it on bread. Get you some lettuce. Very simple and easy. Summertime is coming around the corner. Based on what this coronavirus is doing, we may be able to get outside and socialize with our neighbors and friends. I really want to get that grill out, but you know, it's not in our hands. So just give that a stir. That accent gives it a different kick, y'all. I just diced up another egg. Not diced it up, but I just sliced it. If you want it to be decorative. This is not mandatory. Y'all want some? Let me get some crackers for us. 3 more weeks of class. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It's been a semester for us. So, go ahead and put that on some crackers like that. Let you get a sample of it. You get a bite? Simple and easy to make. I'm telling you, that accent is all you need to take it to another level. Yeah, I know Connie about to pig out, right? This dish is just for me. I will be the only one eating this dish. Yeah, I know if I say if y'all in the neighborhood, come on by, but can't visit right now, so. Oh, y'all just sample that. Doesn't it taste delicious? Go ahead and make this recipe. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. Especially if they're sitting at home doing nothing. Give them something to watch. This video, so they can share with their friends and family as well. So until then, God bless you. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon. Don't forget to go outside and get you a walk around the block. Keep your distance from people, okay? God bless you. Hope to see you next time.